Can you guess how much the average American saves each month? Make sure to stick around till the end to know more about this and how to increase your savings. What's up? Today, we're going to be talking about something that's on everyone's mind. Saving money. It's time to start thinking about how we can make some changes to our spending habits and start putting more money into our savings accounts. So in this video, we're going to be sharing with you the top 10 things you should stop doing to save more money this year. Before we proceed, make sure to leave a comment and hit that like button if you want to know more tips and tricks to manage your finances. Eating out a lot. We all know how tempting it is to grab takeout or go out to eat, but those costs can add up quickly. Instead, try cooking at home more often and meal prepping to save money and eat healthier. You can start by planning your meals for the week, making a grocery list, and sticking to it. Also, try buying ingredients that can be used for multiple meals to save even more money. Subscriptions. Whether it's streaming services or monthly box subscriptions, those small charges can really add up over time. Take a look at your subscriptions and decide which ones are truly necessary. You may be surprised by how much money you're spending on subscriptions you don't even use. Canceling just one subscription can save you a significant amount of money each month. Impulse purchases. Especially when shopping online, it's easy to get sucked into the world of impulse purchases. But those little purchases can quickly snowball into a larger bill at the end of the month. Try waiting 24 hours before making a purchase to see if it's really something you need. Another helpful tip is to make a shopping list before heading out to the store and stick to it to avoid unnecessary purchases. Too much energy usage. Try to lower your energy usage by turning off lights when you leave a room, using energy-efficient appliances, and unplugging devices when they're not in use. By doing so, you'll not only be saving money but also helping the environment. You can also consider upgrading to energy-efficient light bulbs, which may cost more upfront but will save you money in the long run. Buying stuff a lot. From clothing to furniture, you can often find great deals on items that are gently used. Plus, it's better for the environment to give something a second life. You can find used items at thrift stores, garage sales, and online marketplaces. Before buying a new item, consider if you can find a used version for a fraction of the cost. Credit card debt. While it can be tempting to make large purchases on credit, the interest charges can quickly add up. Try to pay off your credit card balances each month to avoid paying extra in interest charges. You can also consider using a debit card instead of a credit card to avoid the temptation of overspending. Transportation costs. Consider cutting back on your transportation costs by carpooling, taking public transportation, or even biking or walking to your destination. Not only will you save money, but you'll also be getting some exercise. If you do need to use your car, try to plan your errands in a way that minimizes driving time. Alcohol and vices. While it's important to enjoy life, those little expenses can really add up over time. Try cutting back on how often you drink or smoke to save more money each month. You can also consider finding cheaper alternatives, such as buying generic brands or making your own coffee at home instead of buying it at a coffee shop. Making these small changes can add up to big savings in the long run. ATM fees. Those fees can really add up, especially if you're using out-of-network ATMs. Try to plan ahead and withdraw cash from your bank's ATM, or consider switching to a bank that offers free ATM withdrawals. You can also try using your debit card for purchases instead of cash to avoid ATM fees. Late fees. Late fees can be a major expense, whether it's for credit card payments, rent, or other bills. Set up automatic payments or reminders to ensure you're paying your bills on time each month. You can also try negotiating with your landlord or service providers to see if they're willing to waive late fees for on-time payments. We hope you found these tips helpful for saving more money this year. If you have tips you'd like to share with the others, let us know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more money-saving tips and advice. So, how much does the average American save each month? According to recent studies, the answer is only about 5%. By making small changes to your spending habits and implementing some of these tips, you can start saving more money each month and working towards your financial goals. Remember, it's never too late to start making changes and taking control of your finances. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.